Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you an easier way to learn languages using Rosetta Stone app. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you may have noticed, I have opened my Play Store. Here in the search bar, type in Rosetta Stone. Okay, there's one, the first one. So as you can see, I have done it already. I have installed it on this phone, and let's take a look at the features available. So this is the features: learn to speak with confidence, get access to 24 languages, 10-minute bite-sized lesson, so personalized lessons for your travel, handy language support, handy language tools at your fingertips, track your progress, perfect your pronunciation, and more. So let's open it, and as you can see, I have started my lesson. So you can this is right now we're on the home page or the dashboard, and I have already selected the Spanish. So here this is what's going to look like if you're going to start opening this application. You will have to choose a language to learn. So I started Spanish. Then you can learn other languages like Japanese or Chinese. It's up to you. So let's just try to Japanese. So there, it's going to take for a while depending on your internet speed. And there, as you can see, konnichiwa, Michael. How would you rate your Japanese? You will be asked how would you rate. Let's just say that I'm already familiar with this language, and I want to start the let's just say I already know the basics, so I will skip the beginner and move to intermediate. So here is the intermediate level for the Japanese: 30 minutes per day, 5 days per week, 6 weeks in total. So you can select there, heritage seeker. So let's just start here. Okay, start my plan, select it. So as you can see, for the advanced level, it's already really advanced. You will automatically, if you can read these characters, then you will know the answer. Kono akachan. Let me just read it if I still remember how to read Japanese character. So I think it reads kono akachan wa omarite nanichi desu. Omarite. Let's just try this one. Okay, it's wrong. Alright, that's one. Nanichi. Okay, I made mistakes again. So I guess I need to go back to lesson 1. There, I need to go back to beginner lesson. So if you go to settings, as you can see, by the way, this is a pro version. That's the reason why you don't see any ads floating around. So that's the power of buying this app. You will not see any ads. So you can also enjoy the full version of this application, like downloading the language you want to learn and much more. So in the settings, as you can see, my languages, choose languages, and manage subscription. So I have done that already. Your active plan, traveler, you can just set reminder or your active plan or delete your plan. Then manage download for offline downloads. So as you can see, you can use this application even without internet. So that's actually really good. Speech settings, you can change it to speech recognition. If you want to disable it, then just do it just like this, but I prefer it enabled. Then adult male, you can choose the voices, adult female or child. I prefer adult male, so I will just leave it. Then next is lesson settings. So reading and writing, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. So this is the learning focus that I have chosen. Additional settings, you can also enable the learn letters, characters, and sounds, but I will skip that part. You can play around with these settings, but to me I leave the default one. Let me just go back and refresh tooltips. So you can play around in this with the settings, but I'm just going to check the other settings in here. So as you can see from home page, you can go to this, you can go back in here like this and then start learning. So you can jump actually. So if you're already familiar with the basics, then just jump to the topic that you are interested in. Let's just say travel, passports. There, start. Okay, it's going to be on a full screen. And alright, so this is not beginner, it's already okay. So the field circle shows your score, so you have to say it and then they will match it with the words. By the way, if you want to download a particular lesson, then just example this one, then use offline. So as you can see, there's a prompt: download this unit for offline use. No, cancel, yes, download. You can download this if you want to, but since I have a crappy internet, so I'm just not going to do that now. Okay, let me just go back to the home page. See full plan, that's your full plan. So again, try to play with the settings. It's really useful for learning different kinds of language. For people who's traveling abroad, then I highly suggest using this app. It's really helpful. That Rosetta Stone helps you speak confidently with a variety of speaking focused lessons and features instantaneous pronunciation feedback with true accent, a track record of getting people speaking any language confidently, and near 5-star rating in the App Store. The award-winning Rosetta Stone mobile app is the best way to learn, speak new languages. So again, features available. You can practice and learn to speak Spanish, French, German, Italian, English, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Arabic, Portuguese, Russian, Dutch, Filipino, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi, Irish, Persian, Polish, Swedish, Turkish, Vietnamese, and more. And also there's an extended language learning features you can improve, which means you can improve pronunciation and practice speaking by reading aloud while listening to native speakers with stories and useful conversations. Always know what to say, which means get easy to understand greetings, phrases, expressions, daily conversations, and more with Praise Book. Train your car. That means take a break from the screen by listening to audio companions lesson. So again, there's a lot of features available for this app, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. It's an educational app. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day.